Hello student, already we started the simple tenses and in previous lecture we learned about the simple present tense. The simple present tense means what? The simple present tense is used to describe an action that happen daily as a routine or habit or truth, means which action is going on daily as a routine. To describe that action we use the simple present tense. For example, here I drink tea every morning. My brother lives in London. Next, Rima visits her parents on weekends. Now in these three sentences, which verb come? Yes, drink, lives and visits. Now students, can you observe in the first sentence the verb come as it is. I drink. The verb never end with s or es, is come as it is in his base form. But you have to see the 2 number and 3 number sentence. In this sentence the verb end with s, means when we speak about ourselves that time the verb come as it is, but when we speak about he, she, it, that time with the verb we add yes or es. Understood student? In simple present tense when we speak about he, she or it, that time the main verb or to main verb we add yes or es. But when we speak about ourselves in simple present tense, that time the verb come as it is in his base form. This much we learnt in the previous lecture. Now today we will start our next part, that is simple past tense. Now student, in simple past tense or the simple past tense is used to describe a completed activity that happened in the past, or in other words we can say it started in the past and ended in the past. For example, you have to see the student. John baked a cake. Second number, they painted the house. Now see the student, in these two sentences which verb come? Yes, baked and painted. Means what these two verbs shows us? Now see the first number, John baked, means they shows these two verb shows already the action was done by someone. Yes students, means here with the base verb, means with the main verb we add ed. With the main verb we add ed, means to make the simple past tense we use the second form of the verb, or sometimes the verb come with ed. Now you have to see the example. So you will see how the verb come in second form. Now see the student, first number example. He ran very fast. They sang a song. And next, she went there every day. Now see the student, in these three sentences which verb come? Yes, ran, sang and went. Now student, ran. This is the second form of the verb run. In present tense we use run, and in past tense we use the second form of the run. The second form is the verb ran. Same way, sang is the second form of the sing, and the went is the second form of the go. Means in simple past tense we use the second form of the verb, or sometimes the verb add with the ed. Understood, student? In simple past tense, sometimes the verb added with ed, or sometimes we use the second form of the verb. Now you saw the example: ran, sang and went. This is the second form of this verb. So student, understood? Simple past tense. You have to revise the video.